but I believe that they were very professional. The crew members were great. They came in and they were very welcoming. You know, they came in and they really came in professional. You know, everybody worked together as a team. They got the job done. They were very clean and neat, which was amazing. You know, and the fact that they all cleaned up whatever area they were working with and in, they cleaned it up very nicely. Oh, let me tell you, it's like night and day. I mean, you know, being that it's a corner lot, I literally see people slowing down and looking because, you know, at this, you know, before the windows, you know, the windows were very old and Mr. Cecil had just painted this past summer. But I'm telling you, with the windows now, it just gave a whole different look to the house. I mean, it just took it from a 4 to literally a 10. Beautiful, beautiful. A lot of people have been calling him and just like, you know, just saying how nice his windows look and how nice the house look. You know, so we're really satisfied with it.